Hello paper enthusiasts, my name is Ishtvan and this is my channel Origami Around. I'm going to show you my way of making traditional origami lilies and their endless possibilities. I make tons of lily variations, here are a few of my favorites so far. My goal with this video is to have a basic simple step-by-step version of the tutorial that I can just reference later on in my future videos. Let's begin. I use standard 9x9cm origami paper, folded along the marked lines, dividing the sides. Turn it over and fold the diagonals. Push the corners to the middle like this. This is the square base, a very common starting point for origami designs. Take one of the 4 flaps and start pushing it down. Make sure that it is symmetrical and that the lines meet precisely along the marked line in the middle. Finalize the sides. Take another flap and repeat it. You have to push down all 4 flaps, one after the other. Now hold it like this in front of you. Fold both sides to the center line and fold them out. Turn it over. Now repeat the steps on all the remaining sides. The next one is the only tricky part of this model, but you can do it, trust me. Hold it like this and pull the middle like a pocket. Open it wide like this. Start pushing both sides at the same time. You can use another finger on the back to get this little flap. Now you can finalize the folds and do not forget to fold the little flap up before you go to the next one. Now you have to repeat the same steps on all the 3 remaining sides. I will show you again. Be patient, take your time, nobody gets it right the first time. Don't forget that I have already folded thousands of these, all the steps are stored in my muscle memory. Now hold it like this. Fold the sides along the marked lines to the center. Now we are basically making the bottom part of the flower thinner. And it is almost done. Now all we have to do is fold out the petals and shape them as we like. Take a look at these little bumps sticking out. We can fold them inwards, and that will give you, ladies and gents, the second variation of the traditional lily design. If I want to show you, we have to go back to this exact point in the steps. What we are going to do now is unfold it completely. Now we can take the little flaps and fold them inwards like this. Fold all 4 of them to the inside of the model. Now push every side of the lily back to its place. And now we need to fold the sides to the center line. Fold all the petals out and shape them. The second lily is done. Look at the differences and pick your favorite version. You can make traditional lilies not only from squares but also from equilateral triangles, pentagons or hexagons. You can combine them, vary the shapes, the colors, the sizes, the possibilities are really endless. If you enjoyed this video, please support me with a like and consider subscribing to the channel. You can also support me on Patreon or on Ko-fi if you have the opportunity. On Patreon I also share behind the scenes and work in progress photos and early access extra content from time to time. Use hashtag origamiaround if you make any of my designs, as I love to share them on Instagram as stories and highlights to give your pages a shout out. Thanks for watching, have fun folding. Bye bye.